Ayan guys, update tayo for our snowstorm. So ayan, I'm still in front. I upstairs. Hindi pa ako lumabas pero you can see on the street. So on that side. Oh shucks. So dito, yung nasa second floor ako. So yung bubong wala na, napuno na ng ice. Ito na yun siya. Yung bintana natakpan na. So on the other side, nagpala na sila. I love the pine tree with all the snow. Ayan, kita niyo yan guys. It's too beautiful. So nasa taas lang ako ng bahay. Ayan. Guys, lalabas tayo ng bahay. Ito yung sa front porch namin guys. Ayan, paano ako makalabas niyan? Shucks. Ang hangin. Tapos malalim na siya. Oy, shucks. Sobrang So nakikita nyo, sobrang lalim na yung snow. Yun yung car namin. So far mataas yung car namin eh. Tsaka gano'n na siya. So try nating So ayan guys, we're trying to make a way to the dog. But it's really a lot. So
this is a lot. This is holy cow. Here we go. Oh, my knee is going to shovel a path so the dog can
come on!
go pee. Oh man, this is bad. This is going to be really. Oh.
It's cold.
It's cold, yeah, it's cold. Oh, shit. Oh, God. Look at how much snow there is. This is unbelievable. Oh, God. This is the worst blizzard we've had in a long time, guys. This is something else. This is... Oh man, this is holy cow. What do you think, poor dog? Poor dog can't even go pee.
She wants to pee, but there's no way we can go there. It's so high.
Oh, look at this. Look at. Can you sit down? Okay. Look. Oh my goodness. Oh. Enough what?
Dog.
Okay, come on dog, let's go try to go pee here, mommy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Oma.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Go.
Come on, go pee.
Guys, it's unbelievable. This look like it's too much. I mean there you go. She can't wait.
Now she can't wait.
The dog pee now. At least she pee.
That's too much.
She can't wait to go out.
Oh man.
So yan guys, kailangan nating kailangan kong gagawa ng daanan para yung aso iihi. So, ganito siya kalalim. So halos nasa baywang ko na siya. Sa ganitong part pa lang. Kailangan ko siyang linisin hanggang buong. I mean, may madaanan lang yung aso. Snowstorm and still ongoing. So ayan guys, makikita nyo. Nag-snow pa din hanggang buong araw to. So for sure, mag-double size pa to. It started last night. 9 o'clock ng gabi, and then now it's look like, I think it's 8 a.m. So that's why I really can't go to work with this one, because we need to clean the whole driveway going to the street, which is ridiculous to do that. So far for now, it's here on my hips. Yan, try natin cleaning. Palahin. What? Oh, shucks. Guys, ganito na siya kalalim. Oh my god. I need a gloves. I forgot the gloves.
Okay, guys, remember, like and subscribe to our channel.
Vlog.
Okay. Okay, guys. Bye-bye.
My face is so red now. Ayan guys. I tried to go out a little bit. So yun yung part na tawag ko. Napala ko na. Namumula na yung mukha ko. Sobrang ano. Ayan guys, nakita nyo yan. Yan yung bubong ng bahay namin. So ayan, nakita nyo kung gaano kakapal siya. And then on that side is our neighbors. So this is our car. You can't see it anymore. So that's our shed and our patio there. And it's really hard to go there because the snow is so deep. So we need to remove all the snow, and really I can't do it. So it should be when I did not go to work because of this one, because if we're going to work we have to clean the whole driveway going down to the street, which is it's so hard, and I will not do that. So ayan, magpapalamig lang tayo. Pero guys, mag-enjoy ka, promise, kahit malamig. Ayan guys, so far, yan pa yung, ayun, still snowing. So, I think it will be wholly snowing today. So, yung nakita nyong deep nun, baka magdo-double pa yan. Kasi nga, ongoing pa yung snow hanggang mamaya, or hanggang buong araw, hanggang mamayang gabi. So, ayan guys. So we try to clean because later when she will go out for pee or poop. So ayan guys. Whew, it's crazy. So this is the front. So yun yung mga parang ano, yun yung hagdanan. Wala ka na talagang makita guys. Sobrang lalim niya. So yung decoration ko, hayaan mo na. So ayan guys. So nakita niya sa harap ng bahay. Ayan, pinaplow na yung ano. Yung hagdanan talaga as in malapit na matabunan yung railings niya. Ayan guys, ang lamig. Pasok na tayo. That's the part we clean. Still it's too much. And then that's our car. This is our backyard here. So ayan guys, makita nyo, and still snowing. So that's our neighbor house. Yung aircon na AC, wala na, natakpan na.